special thanks to our friends at this company who are nice enough to send us this rechargeable battery charger for Xbox controllers. This is essentially what it looks like. It has overcurrent protection, short circuit protection, over voltage protection, and over temperature protection. Company info on the back and the sticker here on the side. Let's open it up and show you what we get here. So you get, dead for the box, you get 4 3200 milliamp hour Xbox controller batteries. They also include a little USB-A to USB-C charging cable in case you don't have USB-C at your house. Nice little charging manual telling you about the device. And then of course, the dock where they all go. So how this essentially works is you take your USB cable, you plug your USB cable into the back of the device here, and you get this nice green light all the way around it, and then put in batteries so they can charge. You do have a little game controller design there on the inside, and then all of these lights around it while it's charging. That's essentially what you would get inside of this package. Thanks again to the company who was nice enough to send it to me. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.